Hello again, it's Noob, and every time I have one of these Lockwood cylinders, I want to say, hello again, it's Lockwood. Just every time, it just gets in my head, and I have to restart the video. Anyway, so I'm not Lockwood, I'm Noob. This is a Lockwood, and this is a vintage Lockwood. You can tell by the writing on the lock. From Australia, and very, very nice little Mortice screw-in cylinder there. I've taken the tailpiece off the back. It looks like this and it screws on just so it's easier for me to gut on video. Won't affect the picking. And I reckon we just throw this in a vise and have a go at picking it. There we go. So I'm going to use a probably a couple of picks really. I've got a Peterson Gem and a Sparrow's Lunatic. One's in 18 thousandths, one's in 25 thousandths. I'm going to start out with the Gem, move to the Lunatic if I feel that I can't set any pins which may be a little higher up, and well, we'll see if we can gut it afterwards. Right, so Gem it is, top of the keyway tension, bit of bent wiper blade, nothing too exciting. And we'll go in. I think it's a 5-pin lock, so pin 2, pin 1 now. There we go. Really positive click on 1, 4, 'I swear that was 5 there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just going to reach in with my deeper hook now, the Lunatic. I love the Lunatic. I'm going to find out it's actually a 6-pin lock after this, aren't I? Just going to the back. Get that last pin. Ah, that's 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And oh, just tapped the last pin and we are open. So yeah, clearly not a very high security cylinder. I don't have the key for it, so I'll have a go gutting it the way it is. It's actually a 6-pin lock. There you go. Okay, and here we are. So it looked something like this on the inside, and it had loads of master wafers, and the truth is that's going to make it a whole lot easier to pick because you've got multiple shear lines. There was a master wafer in position 4 on the driver pins, and all of these driver pins are very straight standard driver pins. There's no beveling on these at all, so I'm guessing that this was possibly made before Lockwood started putting bevel pins in or something. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, would have been more challenging to have the bevel pins for certain. And what I'm going to do is when I put this back together, I'm going to see whether I can get rid of some of these master wafers while retaining all the other pins. I don't have a key for it, so the fact of the matter is it shouldn't matter if I get rid of all the master wafers on this. It just return to a standard lock. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.